What's the meaning of admirably? Admirably. 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 Admirably is an adverb that means in a way that deserves admiration, in a praiseworthy manner. It describes a manner of behavior or action that is exemplary and worthy of respect. When someone does something admirably, they do it with skill, excellence, and effectiveness, inspiring feelings of admiration or respect in others. Admirable behavior can refer to many different qualities, such as courage, generosity, intelligence, or perseverance. Overall, admirably is used to describe actions or behaviors that are worthy of praise and respect.